How to use Listen to Page in Safari browser on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you. Firstly, launch Safari browser on your iPhone. Now open a web page that you want to listen to. Once a web page is loaded, tap on a icon located on the left side of the address bar at the top. Now tap on Listen to Page. Once you tap on it, it will now start reading all of the text on your screen. You can also control the playback while the screen is locked. You can tap on play and pause button to start or pause the reading. You can also use the skip forward or skip backward buttons to jump to the next or previous paragraph respectively. In this way, you can easily use Listen to Page in Safari browser on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.